Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today, real quick, easy food budget hack. It is my leftovers Tikka Masala. Right, we've got a bunch of leftovers. Okay, so here I've got leftover southern fried chicken, leftover barbecue chicken, and I've got some leftover sausages, and I've got some red potatoes which were left over from the night before, and let's get a brown onion into the mix. Let's make a really nice easy meal, and of course I keep some certain food paste and that sort of thing in the cupboard at all times. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is dice that onion nice and fine using my little chopper device. And for those that are new to the channel and new to watching my recipes, yes, I do have MS, and me cutting up onion nice and fine it's a little bit dangerous. You end up losing bits of finger and that sort of thing. Not ideal, so that little chopper just makes life easy for me. Right, nice finely diced onion, that goes in, a little bit of peanut oil, give that a little bit of a softening up, just like that. A good squirt of ginger paste, about that much, I'd say be around about 1.5 teaspoons worth. And I'm going to do the same with some garlic paste. I'm going to add that in. Now it's going to add to our flavours all the way through. Now I've got a medium heat wok there, and we're just going to stir fry all of that through, just like that. And I'm going to add in one 400 gram can of diced tomatoes. Alright, put that straight in, and it's just a no-name brand, around about 90 cents from your supermarket. That can go straight in, and that 90 cents depends on where you live in the world. A little dash of water, just like that. Give that a bit of a stir through, and we're going to bring that up to a nice little simmer. Alright, really nice and easy. Alright, so that's simmered away for a little bit, and here I've got a pre-prepared jar of Tikka Masala paste. I could make it from scratch, but look, this is just a weeknight meal. I'm going to add in around about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons worth of that. You can add more if you want it a little bit more spicy. Tikka Masala is traditionally not a spicy dish, and it was actually originated in the UK, believe it or not. It is not Indian, it is Indian influenced UK food. I'm going to throw in all those meats. I've just cut those up into nice little chunks. Right, nice and easy. Give that a quick stir through, and this whole meal is going to take you around about 10-15 minutes. A little bit more water, things are looking a little bit thick there. Alright, so just add those straight in and give that a bit of a stir through. Now in the meantime, Mrs. KP is getting some rice going on the other side of the kitchen, away from where we're filming. It's very easy to do. You could even use a microwave rice if you really want to. Okay, now I've also added in a little bit of leftover potatoes that was being cooked the night before. They're just a but perfect little bounciness, if you want to use that word, but just the right texture. I'm going to add in about 300 ml or half of a quarter pint of cream, just bought from the supermarket. That can go in, sorry, half a pint of cream, and I'm just going to stir that through, bring that back up to a little bit of heat until it starts bubbling away, just like that. Just that beautiful little simmer. And if you haven't had a Tikka Masala before, don't know what you're missing first of all, but it's a great way that you can just use up leftovers, full stop. You put vegetables in it, you can put whatever you like. You can even use seafood. Right, little mound of rice. Yeah, we're doing it the fancy way, the restaurant way that we used to do back in the day. And we're simply just going to add in our beautiful Tikka Masala curry and as much sauce as you want around that piece of rice, or that little mound of rice. And there you go, KP's leftovers Tikka Masala. How easy was that to do? It's going to cost you what, $3 to cook in by using up your leftovers instead of throwing it in the bin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. In this day and age where things are tight money wise, and we've got to be able to put food on the table, well, this is a great way to do it. Come join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my recipes again. I'm off to eat my leftover Tikka Masala and I will catch you next time. Bye.